Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the Victorinox Swiss Champ. This is a very big and bulky multi-tool. As you can see, it has a lot of flares. It's really huge. Like, I didn't have the perception of how big it was until I actually got it in my hands. Okay, so I will start off by showing every tool. Okay, so you have the keyring, you have the tweezers here, toothpick here, and the ballpoint pen charge. Maybe we should start in the back. Okay, so here you have the micro screwdriver, corkscrew, and also here you have the little needle for whatever that's needed. Okay, so you have a small screwdriver, a slightly bigger one. Then you have a hook, and then one awl and reamer. On most of the tool side, I'll start by the pen blade, the small one, then the big blade. This is a 91 millimeters Victorinox. Then you have the file, also the wood saw, you have the fish scaler with a ruler, inches on this side and centimeters on this one. You have the big and very strong Victorinox scissors. Then you have the filling. You have the pliers, which you have a very small wire cutters here, and then just needle nose pliers and slightly bigger ones here. Yeah. If I am going to use pliers, I prefer to use these ones aren't as good as, for example, Leatherman ones, and that's pretty much why I, instead of carrying this, I carry a Leatherman CS4. Okay, so you have Phillips screwdriver. This one is not like the like at a 90 degrees angle, so this allows movements, a lot more movements. So on this one you have the magnifying glass, and to end it off you have the large screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper, and finally can opener and small screwdriver. So why would you buy this and what's the price? Okay, the price around here, it's around this, it's 70 euros, and this is mostly a tool to keep on your workbench. I guess I just keep it in this case, which is not Victorinox, it's just a random case, which has this loop belt, and where I'm working at some project, I just use this, because carrying this is way too bulky or way too heavy, and some tools in here are a little bit unnecessary. It's a fun novelty item and something to show people and make them question you about it, but you shouldn't buy this if you plan on EDCing this, because that just won't work. This is something to keep on a bench for working at projects or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video review of this knife, and if you do, please like, comment, subscribe for similar content. Bye.